iFIT. Simply faster to install. The iFIT push connection is securely installed in just a few steps. The viewing window and click provide immediate feedback on the success of the connection. Processing requires no electrical power supply and minimal tooling. The simple assembly allows it to be used even in tight spaces. Clever. The modular system has 50% fewer parts. iFIT can be used with either polybutene or multilayer pipes, and can therefore react flexibly to the specific requirements of sanitary and heating installations. iFIT, the proven solution for building technology and shipbuilding from GF Piping Systems.